I have in front of me a 10 watt outdoor LED floodlight with IR sensor. So basically what we have here is a light that's the equivalent of a 100 watt halogen light. The fact it comes with the IR sensor means that we have a range of about 8 to 12 meters that we can set depending on conditions, where we can trigger the light coming on simply because it'll detect movement. The light itself comes with an IP65 rating, so it's suitable for indoor and outdoor use. The chassis itself is aluminium. So what we have is very, very low risk of any type of wear on it. And indeed, a big advantage on the Manhattan lights over a lot of the competitors is a weak point on a lot of lights, even those with aluminium housing, can be that they have screws that can be the source of rusting, etc. But on the Manhattans, what they've actually done is they've mounted the screws behind here, which is quite clever. It minimises the risk of any type of wear, and also the visibility of it is obviously minimised. In terms of what's driving the sales of these lights, obviously we'll say the LED offers a huge energy saving over, we'll say, the halogen equivalents. It has a 40,000 hour warranty in terms of continuous use on the lights, and indeed Manhattan are offering a full 5-year warranty on all of the lights that they're selling. The beam angle on them is 120 degrees, so it's giving good range there. So just to look at it in some more detail, this is where I'm talking about the LED and the 120 degree. If we come down here, we can see the actual ability to adjust in terms of where we're pointing the LED sensor. So there's great flexibility on that. And if we look on the base of it here, we can adjust the amount of time that it's on for. So it's triggered, we can have it to come on for from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. In terms of the sensitivity of it, we can adjust, we'll say, and we can also adjust for the lux sensitivity on it. So when we want it to come on in terms of the dusk levels, so only we might want to come on dusk, or we want it to come on only in complete darkness. In terms of, if we come along, look in the back of the unit here itself, we have the ability here to mount it up to 180 degrees. So we have full rotation here in terms of, obviously you wouldn't need anything like that angle normally. Now where this sits in the actual product range that we have, well, we have lights running all the way from 10 watt currently all the way up to 120 watt. The IR sensor units here are quite popular in the overall scale of things, simply because people just want the lights to come on exactly when they need them. Or it's obviously a security feature as well, that lights will come on once they detect motion in the area. This particular unit, it's packaged in this outer box here. There's a user instruction manual here. It's quite simple and straightforward. The reason that we went with Manhattan as a preferred supplier on it is, first of all, that they're a brand name. Secondly, you can see the extensive warranty periods they've given and the quality of the design they have issued on it as well. And finally, they have a huge range within their LED category. So it means that we're able to give a full range of exactly what people are going to require. The price point that's coming on in it is very, very impressive and gives a huge edge on competitors. And that's why we'll say this part of the electrical section on freetv.ie has really taken off, simply because it's offering customers exactly what they want in terms of the confidence in the product and also at the price point that they want. So that's it anyway. The 10 watt outdoor LED floodlight with IR sensor available on freetv.ie.